Hi everyone, welcome back. Let's take a look at the substitute function in Excel today. Okay, so the substitute function replaces some text in a specific cell with a new string of text. To get a string of text that say New Jersey, try typing in substitute A3 York to Jersey, right? So it's gonna be substitute A3, which is the original text, and then what you're gonna substitute the word York to the word Jersey. That's going to change it to New Jersey, right? The substitute function replaces all instead of the second argument with the third argument. To get a string that say roof, try type in substitute A3. So A3 is roof, so it's going to replace all the E's to O. So that's how you replace roof, reef to roof, right? The substitute function is case sensitive, so capital P and a lowercase p are considered different character. Try writing a substitute formula that return plotting, right? So it's gonna be equal sub. So I always, when I type in a function, I always put the open the close parentheses so that I don't forget it. And then A1, right? And then what am I replacing? I'm replacing plopping to plotting, right? So it's going to be replacing small p with uppercase p, right? So small p with uppercase, small p with t, small t, p with t, right? The substitute function has a fourth optional argument which specifies which instant of the specific string is replaced. For instance, substitute A1, 1, U, 1 will only replace the first in the string. What will the formula returns, right? So it will go here, copy that, space that. So it's going to be substitute A1, substitute the 1, the L, sorry, this is an L, substitute L with a U, and only replace the first instead of it. So that's going to be HAUL. Right? Use the substitute function with the instant argument to return committed, right? So it's gonna be equal substitute, right? Again, parentheses, open and close so that you don't mess it up. It's gonna be A1, right, comma, and what are you replacing? You're replacing comma T, so committed, right? So it's gonna be the last E, right? So you're gonna replace the last E with a D, right? But which one? It's gonna be the second E, not the first E. So it's committee to committed, right? The only thing is the E, the second E. Okay. Use the substitute function without the instant argument to return committed. Use the substitute function without the instant argument to return committed. This is hard. Okay, let's see. Equal substitute A1, comma, E to a D. I don't know if that's gonna work. Let's see. We might have to need help for this. Okay, let's show the answer. Is it without? Oh, there we go. Tricky. So EE, so replace both EE with ED. That's how you do it. You replace both with an ED. You don't need an instant in there. Sorry. Sorry about that. Use the substitute function to return beekeeper instead of bookkeeper, right? So it's gonna be equal substitute, right? Open and close parenthesis. So it's gonna be A1, right? BOO. So the first B. So there's two ways you can use an instant, or you can not use an instant, right? So to use an instant, you can replace the 2EE, right, with a 2OO, right? But then use it for the first instant only because the first EE will be replaced by the first OO. That's bookkeeper. Oh, no, sorry. I think I misspelled something. So don't use instant here because you have an extra K in there. So it's gonna be B-O-O-K-K. They see B-E-E-K. So E-K, replace E-K with O-O-K-K. Right? So B-O-O-K-K-E-E-P-E-R. Yeah, there we go. What happened here? B-O-O-B-E-E-K. Ah, replace. Oh, sorry. Your O-O. Oh, yeah, I think I put it backward. It's supposed to be the other way around. K with E-E. Sorry about that. There we go. So replace O-O-K to E-E. That doesn't make sense. Oh, sorry. I misread this. It's supposed to be replacing here to here. Be saying O-O-K, bookkeeper into beekeeper. Ah, my bad. It's supposed to be bookkeeper into beekeeper. I read it the other way, so I made a mistake there. So it's just OOK. Change that to EE, and there is only one instant of OOK here. So replace that with EE, and that will change to beekeeper. So sorry about those. Yeah. Anyway, thank you so much for checking out the channel, and please hit the like button and subscribe so that I can bring this to more viewers like you. Thank you, and see you next time.